provide a random sample of letters used in the text of the book Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling? Explain your answer. So we're looking for if it would be a random sample. A says use the first letter of every word of a randomly chosen paragraph. This is not random. And the reason is because some letters are used more at the beginning of words than others. So it's not random because they don't have an equally likely being chosen. B says number all of the letters in the words in a paragraph of the book, cut out the numbers and put them in a bag. Then choose a random set of numbers from the bag to identify which letters you will use. This is random because each number in the bag is equally likely to be chosen. So each letter is also equally likely to be chosen. C, have a family member or friend write down a list of their favorite words and count the number of times each of the letters occurs. This is not random because it's biased. When somebody chooses their favorite, they have unconscious bias that they are using towards these words. So there is a bias when we pick our favorite. Indicate whether the following are random samples from the given population and explain why or why not. A, the population, all students in the school. The sample includes every fifth student in the hall outside of class. So is this random, and why or why not? Well, no, it isn't random. And the reason it wouldn't be random is because only middle school students would be outside of our classrooms. To B, population, students in your class. The sample consists of students who have the letter S in their last name. Is this random? Well, no, not everyone has an opportunity to be chosen. Only students who have S's would be chosen. So not every student has an equally likely chance of being chosen. So it is not random. C, the population is students in our class, and the sample is selected by putting their names in a hat and drawing the sample from the hat. This is random because everyone has an equal opportunity of being chosen. 2D says the population is people in your neighborhood, and the sample includes those outside in the neighborhood at 6 p.m. This one is not random because people who are not home have no chance of being selected. In E, the population is everyone in the room, and the sample is selected by having everyone toss a coin. This is random because everybody has an equal opportunity. They all have a 50-50 chance of getting heads. Since it's all the same probability, this is considered random.